So hello guys, I am here with the car Victorious, Suzuki Victorious, and now we start the review of the Suzuki Victorious. Here we have the long grille with Suzuki logo and LED headlights both side, and this side we get 360-degree cameras, fog lamps, and this reflectors. Now we will check the sideways of the car. Here we have 18-inch. 17. Here we have the 17-inch alloys and sharp cut alloys, and now here we can see the parking, a camera here, and this is the sideways of the car. It's very long and sharp type car. Now we will check the interiors, but before going we will check parking sensor, and it has this side and also passenger side bhi hai na? Yes. Now we will check the interiors. So this is the interior of the car. We have start and stop button and cruise control, and we have ADAS also. ADAS level 2. ADAS level 2 traction control, and the view and the parking sensors, and this HUD display that is situated, and that comes from the Baleno, and this is what we call. The seats are ventilated with parking sensors and hold function, and this is the box. And now we will check the steering, with comes with voice command, call cut, and radio FM changing, and with this, and with cruise control of ADAS and ADAS activation of button. So this is automatic, and this with reflectors like this, plus and minus, and this is the AC vents, and this is the ambient light type. It's ambient type. We have the leather, and on the doors we have this controls with leather and soft power windows, soft touch, central locking, left and right, and auto fold mirrors. Here we get the tweeters. On this side also we get the tweeters, IRVM, and we also get panoramic sunroof, and there are headlights, sunroof, and glass holder, and we have the SOS button, and we also get cup holders and seat belts. Seat belts are also adjusting for both sides, and we have the engine start stop button, and this is the air AC vent, tweeters, and HUD display. Now we will go to the second row. This is 10-inch stereo with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and automatic climate control with volume button and mute button, and air circulating with air AC fan, 6 airbags, and front and rear heater. Now we will check the this is wireless charging, right?
Yes.
Wireless charging also. So this is an instrument cluster on, and this is the digital instrument cluster. It indicates, and here we have the RPM meter, and the door is open, and this is a control. It's very smooth and working, and we have this is parking brake engaged here. Now we will check the back side. Here we get the lights and the suit holder, and this is we used to open and hang something, and here we also get holders, and this is the all over interior. It looks very amazing and futuristic tech type. But so this is the seat I am sitting. It's very comfortable, and it's very has space in it. बहुत ज़्यादा space है, but as a child यहाँ पे 3 लोगों से तो ज़्यादा बैठ ही सकते हैं. Here we get the rear AC vent with control and Type C charging, right?
Yes.
Type C charging and keeper, and
Back hander.
we have the rest also with cup holders. नहीं armrest with cup holders, and we have the rear seat belts there. And now we will check the boot space. Here we get the sharp antenna and the sunroof, and this is trail, and this is the from other side. We have the fuel opener, and this is the side look. It's very looking beautiful and a long. We have the long tail lights as we are expected in more cars, and here I have the wiper with washers and tail lights upper there, and now we will sharp antenna and both sides trails, and now we will check the boot space. Here we get the 439 liters of boot space, so that's a very huge boot space. And here we get the parking sensors. Here we get the parking sensors and the door closing like this. It's automatic. It's closed like this. Here we get the smart hybrid badging, and here we get the reverse cameras. Here we get the bonnet with the 1462cc of petrol engine with 3 cylinders, and so this is the overall engine. So this Victorious is available at Vipul Motors, Ballabgarh. So you can contact Harsh Bhaiya. Yes?
ये आपके लिए गिफ्ट है हमारी तरफ से।
Oh, thank you so much, sir.
ये आपके लिए, आपने बहुत ही अच्छा रिव्यू दिया है। एक फोटो हो जाए हमारे।
So guys, you can get the Victorious from Ballabgarh Vipul Motors and contact these for further details.